Hello guys, welcome to Tech Creations. Today it's going to be a wonderful topic how to make unlimited WhatsApp without phone number. You have to visit temp mail, get any temp mail. Tempmail.org, it's good for use. Yeah. Copy the mail. Now get back to second line app. Yeah. Now open temp mail app and paste the temp mail you got. You can also use the real mail, your own real mail. Not now. Here started up. Put the country code 289 because other than this all the country codes are banned in WhatsApp and other social medias. Verify your account. Yeah. Put the country code again. Yeah, it's getting phone numbers. Select anyone of your choice. Continue. Yeah, you got the number. Copy the phone number you got. Get back to Coco WhatsApp. Open Coco WhatsApp. Agree and continue. Put country code 1. Yeah, not United States. Search for Canada. And do click Canada. Canada. Paste the number you got. Next. Yes, okay. Number worked. You got. Get back to second line or you will get a verification code in the above. Yeah, you got code. Just do type the code there and verify your account. You are now inside WhatsApp. Done. Any name. You got WhatsApp. You can use this WhatsApp for any purpose. Don't use for bad purpose. If the Coco WhatsApp gets an update, you can search for it on Google. It's very easily available. Coco WhatsApp you can search. Thanks for the watching video. Please do like subscribe my channel.